Hello everyone, this is my 1997 Lexus LX 450, also known as Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series. I recently put 35-inch tires and then the truck is too high to enter my garage. So I decided to remove the OEM roof rack. However, after I removed the roof rack, all the factory nuts already rusted, so I decided to drill them out and completely seal the roof. After drilling out the nuts, I used an angle grinder to remove all the rusted area. Then I used a body filler kit to cover the hole, including first put a mesh onto the hole and then blend the two parts resin really well. Then just spread the resin firmly onto the repaired area. After 30 minutes, all the body filler already cured. Then I used the 80 grip sandpaper to sand the surface to as smooth as possible. As the surface already covered with all kinds of dirt, I decided to use a grinder to further polish the surface and then use 70% alcohol to remove all the debris. Next, I use the self-etching primer to thoroughly cover all the metal exposed area and also the body filler covered area. And this is how it looks like after I complete the primer step. After 2 hours drying, I start to put the color layer onto the primer, and this green color match my OEM color really well. And here is how it looks after the repair process. I will also include a clear coat later on.